Today we're going to be talking about capital gains tax and how you can legally make savings. Hi, welcome to the video. My name is James and I am the founder of My Tax Broker, and we specialise in connecting you with qualified specialist tax advisors. So click the link in the description below to contact us to find out how you can gain advice and savings. Capital gains tax sounds incredibly complex, but it's actually pretty simple. If you've ever sold property, shares, or even crypto for profit, this is something you do need to know about. In this video, we're going to explain exactly what capital gains tax is, who pays it, and how you can save money through legitimate reliefs and exemptions. Capital gains tax, or CGT for short, is a tax you pay on the profit you make when you sell or dispose of an asset that's increased in value. You're not taxed on the whole amount, only the gain. So for example, if you bought shares for £10,000 and sold them for £25,000, that's a £15,000 difference. HMRC would only be interested in the £15,000 gain. Now let's talk about who pays capital gains tax. In the UK, capital gains tax applies to individuals, trusts, and personal representatives. Not usually companies, because companies pay corporation tax instead. You may need to pay capital gains tax if you sell assets like a second home or an investment property, shares or funds outside of an ISA, valuable items such as art, jewellery, or antiques worth over £6,000, or fairly recently, cryptocurrency, if you made a profit when selling or exchanging it. However, you only pay capital gains tax when your total gains exceed the annual tax-free allowance, which for 2025/2026 so far is £3,000. That's a big drop from previous years, so a lot of people are going to get caught out. Now, what you're really here for is to find out how you can save on capital gains tax. There are legitimate reliefs and exemptions here of capital gains tax, so let's talk about them. In at number one, we've got use your ISA allowance. Investments inside an ISA are completely tax-free, and at the moment you get £20,000 a year. The second thing you can do is offset losses. Sadly, one of the best ways to reduce your tax is to actually make a loss. Now, for a lot of investors, this is a really easy thing to do, and it will take no effort to do at all. You can report them to reduce your taxable gain. The third thing are spouse transfers. You can transfer assets to your husband, wife, or civil partner completely tax-free to make better use of both of your allowances. In at number four, we have private residence relief. If you're selling your main home, the gain is usually exempt. In at number five, we have business asset disposal relief. This was formerly entrepreneurs relief. It can cut your capital gains tax rate to 10% on qualifying business disposals. And that's just the start. There are actually more ways you can reduce the tax, but this is a short video that we just wanted to explain the fundamentals of what it is and also where the basic savings can be made. Once again, at My Tax Broker, we specialise in connecting you with qualified specialist tax advisors. And capital gains tax is something that we cover. So remember to get in contact with us because we would be able to help you here. Before we go, please remember to hit that subscribe button or follow, depending on which platform you're watching this on. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.